Hello, my dear friends. This time I'm going to unbox this newly bought microphone, SYNCO Lav-S8. This is SYNCO. I'm going to do an unboxing. I'm going to do an unboxing of a brand newly bought microphone. I'm using this microphone for my mobile phone, then for the DSLR camera, for recording purpose. So for recording purpose, I'm going to use this newly bought microphone. So this is the cover. So you can see this is the cover imported from a foreign country. And so this is a new one. So you can see SYNCO Lav-S8 omnidirectional. So you can see the packaging. So this side also you can see this one. And here they have mentioned, package list. So this side you get a package list. So there you get some Lav-S8 microphone. Then there's a cotton wind muff. Then 6mm tie clip. There's a 6mm tie clip. Then a small carrying bag, and there's a button cell. So these are this side clearly they mention what are the items inside the packaging. So this is a SYNCO Lav-S8 omnidirectional. So professional sound pickup. So you can see there's a diagram. So you can see this one. Professional sound pickup. So now I'm going to unbox this one. So I'm going to unbox this one. So I get a small, carefully I must cut this one. So carefully from here, I have to do a small cut this side. And there's a safe packaging, very nicely they have packed that one. So you have to cut this one. Carefully you have to cut. And there's a cellophane packaging. So I must cut that one, and after that, carefully you have to do that one. And after that, carefully I am removing the outer this safety cover. And I am keeping that away. And after that, now you can see the box. Right? SYNCO lavalier S8 omnidirectional microphone. So this is a close up. So now we can see there's a what are the items inside. So slowly you have to get the box. And there's another. This is the inside box. And this is the packaging cover. So you can see this one. Both you can see SYNCO Lavalier professional microphone. This is the inside box. So I keep that away. And this side there are some important notes. So there are photo ID, photo adaptation, noise reduction technology, and here distinct working indicator, and here broad device compatibility. It means you can use in wide devices. And 8-meter audio cable, and there's a easy carrying case. So these are some special notes inside the outer box. So I keep this away, and now slowly I am opening this one. carefully I am opening this one. So this is the box, and very carefully you have to open that one. Very carefully you have to open that one. Very carefully. There's a good seal. There's a one. Very carefully you have to do this very tightly packed, and so there's a this box, and you must very carefully. Yes, there's a very good, very nicely packed. Yes. So inside this is the empty box, and this is the manual. So this is the manual. So I keep that away, and here you get the item. Here you get the item. So you get this all these items are there. Slowly you can take each other. So these are the packaging items you can see. This is the easy carrying bag. So you can see this one, SYNCO is a carrying bag, and here you get this. There are inside this packaging, inside this pack. I'll mention it later. So this is the Lavalier S8 microphone. So this is the Lavalier S8 microphone. Very beautifully and nicely packed. So you can see this one. So very beautifully and nicely packed. So long cable, and here you get the inside. You get the small button cell, and there's inside you get the tie clip, and this is the wind muff. So this is the new unboxing of this. You can see all the items are there. Again, I'll show you. This is the cable, and here you get the control switch, and this is the part where you get for this microphone. And this one, you can see this one. This is the 3-port. There are three circles there. So this is the one where you insert to this either for the mobile phone or for the DSLR camera. So I keep that one. And so this is the small wind muff. Inside you can see the wind muff. Here you get the button cell, tie clip, and those things are there. So this is the easy carrying bag, and after that you get the SYNCO manual. So you can see this manual very clearly. They mention about this product, SYNCO, the user manual. So there's the diagram there, and operation instructions. Then this diagram, then sound recording pattern. So you can see this sound recording pattern. Then here you get this warranty certificate and everything. So you can see this one, SYNCO Lav-S8 microphone. So this is a small unboxing. This is a small unboxing of recording of a very nice and very powerful sound recording equipment. So I must try this in this wildlife field for my mobile phone and for my DSLR camera. So for these recordings, so this is the first time I am using, and this is the unboxing. And after that, I must use this in the mobile device and in the Nikon DSLR phone, and so I must try this in the wildlife, in the wilderness. So this is just an unboxing of this brand new newly bought SYNCO Lav-S8 microphone. So we'll have another day, my dear friends. Then bye bye. Have a good day. Have a good day. Bye bye.